Good morning students. So today we are going to study chapter 11, symmetry and patterns. So first of all we have to know what is symmetry. As you can see here, symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when the shapes or figures are divided into two equal and identical parts. So what do you understand by this definition? See, take a piece of paper which should be in square shape, okay, and just fold this paper so that this paper becomes two, means two equal halves. Okay, so we fold it in this way first. Okay, now you can see here we are getting two pages here. Okay, and this is called line of symmetry. Let us try to fold this paper in another way. So I have folded this paper in another way, and again what we got? We got two sides of equal halves. Let us try one more step. See, in this way also you can fold this paper and you will get a line of symmetry, that is this portion. Okay, so what do you understand by line of symmetry? That you can fold anything, paper or anything, in which that thing will give two halves of equal size. As you can see here, these paper, as I have folded in three different ways, these papers come in same halves. Okay, now let us see another example. As you can see this copy, okay, if you open this copy, it also makes a line of symmetry here. That means it is dividing it into two equal halves. It is also same, and this side is also same, and this is called line of symmetry. Now let us start line of symmetry from our book. The line that divides the figure into two equal halves is called the line of symmetry. So as you can see in this figure, I have drawn three figures, and I have drawn line of symmetry also. So as you can see here in this figure, and in this figure, I have drawn a line of symmetry. That means in this figure, this line of symmetry is dividing this whole figure into two equal halves. So we understand what is symmetry and what is line of symmetry. Now just move to next topic. Okay students, now let us see some asymmetrical figures. As you can see these two figures, can you divide these figures into two equal halves? The answer is no. Let us try. So can you say that these figures are divided into two equal halves? No. These figures are not divided into two equal halves. Okay. So these figures are known as asymmetrical figures. Okay. Now come to symmetry in alphabets. You know alphabets A to Z. So there are also symmetries in alphabets. Let us see some examples. B, C, K, A. As you can see here, I have already drawn the figures, as well as I have already mentioned that which figure are in symmetry. So as you can see this B, if you divide this B like this, or you can say you make the line of symmetry like this, it will divide this B into two equal halves, not unequal, equal halves. C, same condition, it will be divided into two equal halves. In K also, it will be divided into two equal halves, and in A also you can divide it in two equal halves by drawing a line of symmetry. Okay. Now next come to examples of asymmetrical alphabets. There are few alphabets which are asymmetrical also. That means you cannot divide those alphabets in two equal halves. Let us see the example. Come to first one, that is P. Can you divide it into two equal halves? No. You can divide it into two halves, but those halves will not be equal. Same is the case of R, Z and F. So these are the few examples of asymmetrical alphabets, and these are the few examples of symmetrical alphabets. One thing I would like to tell you, so that you will never forget about this, that in symmetrical, if you want to draw a line of symmetry, you have to see that that line of symmetry divides that particular thing, particular alphabets, letters or anything in two equal halves, not unequal. If it divides it but the halves are not equal, then it will not be said as line of symmetry. It will be known as asymmetrical lines or figures. Now come to next topic. Okay, now let us see exercise 11.1. Question number 1. The question is, does the dotted line on each shape divides it into two equal halves? Write yes or no. So according to question, it is asked that figures are given and the dotted lines, does this dotted line divide each figures into two equal halves or not? If it divides, then you have to write yes. If it doesn't divide, you have to write no. So let us see. So in this figure, question number A, you can see it is a kind of rectangle and a line of symmetry is drawn here. And you can see clearly that this line of symmetry divides this figure into two equal halves. Okay, this is one half and this is second half, and both are equal. So we will write here yes. Now come to this figure, question number B. As you can see here, a line is drawn and this line divides this figure into two parts, but it is not dividing it into two equal parts. Okay, as you can see here, it is divided into two parts, 1, 2, but you can see here clearly that this line doesn't divide this figure into two equal parts. So we will write here no. Now come to question number 2. Draw a line of symmetry that divides the figure into two equal halves. So in this question it is asked to draw a line of symmetry that divides the given figure into two equal halves, not unequal. So let us see. 1, 2. So we have made line of symmetry, and as you can see here in these figures, that this line of symmetry divides this figure into two equal halves and this figure also into two equal halves. So in this way you have to complete question number 1 and 2. Now let us go to question number 3. Okay students, now let us see question number 3 of exercise 11.1. Draw the second half of each of the symmetrical figure. So I have made here two figures, as you can see, and what we have to do, we have to make, or you can say we have to draw the second half of each of the symmetrical figure. That means the second half should be equal to first half. So let us try. See, in this case you can see that I have made second half in this figure as well as second half in this figure. So by this you can understand that a line of symmetry divides a figure, a body or alphabet or anything into two equal halves. Two equal halves, not unequal halves. Okay, that is why it is called line of symmetry. Thank you and have a nice day.